Hey everybody, this is Devin. So welcome to Milestone 9. In Milestone 9, we're going to turn our attention to Windows, which we've let languish a little bit. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to create base VMs for, if you haven't done so already, for Server Core 2019 and Windows 10 LTSC, and those ISOs are where all the other ISOs were, and you know how to sys prep a Windows box. These are just the same. So you're going to create those, ensure that they both have been sysprepped in accordance with the instructions that were provided before, and they both need to have SSH server and VMware tools installed. This is sort of important because we're going to be using functionality in powercli that requires VMware tools to be on the box. So your first task is to create a link clone for Server Core. This is going to end up being your domain controller on the blue LAN. So use your 40 utils to create that link clone and drop it onto the blue LAN. You should be able to do this all through code. You'll start it up, figure out the DHCP IP address. Actually, you don't even have to do that. So you're gonna start it up, and you're gonna go ahead and extend your 40 utils PowerShell module so that it can use a PowerCLI function called invoke VM script. This is incredibly powerful. So you can interact with the base VM even if it's not networked through the virtualization layer. So as long as you know the credentials, right, like deployer and the password, and you have VMware tools installed, you can run code. So this is a little bit more of an elegant solution to changing the IP address than doing it via Ansible, changing the IP address and then having to break off the connection and log back in. You can just do it on the fly via VMware tools, so it'd be part of your provisioning process. So I use the function. I use the program netsh, which is on all Windows boxes, to set the static IP address. But you can do something else. You can do it via PowerShell if you want to. You can upload a script. Totally up to you. But the end result is you run code on the Server Core box via PowerCLI, and boom, the IP changes. And your deliverable for this part of the milestone is basically to run the code, right, and then SSH into the new IP, do an IP config all, showing that your new IP address is there, okay, and that your gateway has been set appropriately, your net mask, that sort of thing. You can ping google.com. So I'm gonna stop this video and I'm gonna record that, and I'll link it here. So that's 9.1, and I'm going to be working on the other elements of this milestone as we go forward. All right, so let me stop this video for now, and I'll link in that demonstration. Bye now.